Hi, I'm Tom, Head of Customer Success at Navexa, and thanks for joining me for the February 2026 monthly update. So this month is all about three big things for us, and it's been scaling the team, improving the platform stability and user experience, and shipping some genuinely big workflow improvements. But first of all, we're hiring. And if you know someone who might fit the bill, definitely send them our way. If you head over to seek.com.au and just search for Navexa in the keywords there, you'll get the two positions. So we're hiring for a full stack engineer, so a developer, and also a customer success specialist. So if you know someone who's interested in investing, they love using portfolio trackers like Navexa, they want to help improve and make the platform the best portfolio tracker in the market, then definitely send them our way. Mobile app improvements are landing too. We've made some real progress here, starting with stronger biometric security when logging in. On mobile, you can now add custom investments directly from the app. Overall, the user experience has improved, and we've also had time to get rid of a lot of the annoying notification bugs. We're also putting together a dedicated help center section for the app, so you'll have more mobile-specific guides and step-by-step walkthroughs. We're aiming to push the latest app build to the Apple App Store and Google Play soon, subject to store review. Now for the big one that's getting close to release, it's the transactions page. And what this does is it gives you the bird's eye view of all the transactions that have taken place in your portfolio and various ways to actually interact with them. Whether you want to drill down and only find dividends, for example, you could also then at the same time just have specific companies or specific sectors. The filtering system is really quite customizable. You could even say that you want the exchange not to include crypto, for example. So it allows you to go through and quickly see all at once what's been happening on the account. You can also export from here. You can also do the select all, and if you wanted to confirm everything at once on your account, whether it be dividends, etc., you could do it. Or if you've wanting to say do a lot of bulk deletes, this would be the best place to do it. It'll also allow, once it's released, the ability to go through and look at all the duplicates on the account. So if there are any duplicate trades or transactions that come through, this will also be a huge time saver in doing that, because you'll be able to see everything from this one view. We've also added the ability to edit and also add different transactions. So instead of having to leave the screen, going to the portfolio and doing it that way, you can actually do it just from the right hand side. It will slide out and allow you to either edit, delete, add. You can even add particularly new transactions straight from here. So we might choose stock, we might say it's trade, and we can do it all from this one spot. So it's currently in beta, but we're hoping that we're going to get it out fairly soon and actually let people start using it and how it can improve your streamlined use of the portfolio tracker. Lastly, we're working on an AI importer. We've always had some form of AI importer, particularly being used for the trade confirmation notes. So when you forward any of those contract notes from trades to your unique Navexa link email address, the AI importer doesn't ask you where it's from, as in what broker it is. It's able to read it, and then using that unique link that you send it to, it'll actually import it or enter it into your portfolio for you. So the idea is that we're expanding that technology, and you'll be able to come to the portfolio itself and have an Excel document or a CSV, that shouldn't matter, and you can upload your transactions. Now it'll pick up obviously the buys and the sells and other transactions to do with the account. We'll still leave the income dividends to be automatically generated when you give us valid buys on the account. So that opens up the holding, and then we automatically populate the holding with the correct income by matching it to the announcements that are made by the actual exchange themselves. But the idea is that it's going to streamline importing, entering in a lot of your trade data. So previously you'd have to come to somewhere like here and actually choose your different broker so that we could have it go through a specific type of importer that matches that exact document or output that, say, Stake has created. But this way, you'll not have to worry about doing any kind of column mapping or matching it to any of our spreadsheets or even choosing the broker itself. You'll be able to come along with the Excel or CSV and simply give it to us. The AI will go through it, determine what are trades, what are sells, what are buys, and then import that into your system for you. So we've just started working. We don't have a hard release date yet, but it's just another example of how we're trying to improve the experience for all customers and make it much easier, streamlined, and make us the most popular portfolio tracker on the market. So just to round off, remember that you can always go inside the platform to the help and support, and that's the help center that allows you to read all the documentation that we've put together. We're constantly improving this, and you can always start a conversation with us at the bottom right, or even use Finn, which is our AI chatbot, who can actually walk you through different things, handle any kind of query outside of hours, and it does get escalated to a human person in case you do need that. But we are here behind the scenes working on a lot of different things to improve the platform and make the experience much better for you. Thanks a lot.